In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy subtasks from one task to another in Asana 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to take an existing subtask and place it under a different task, plus a handy drag and drop option. First, head to the Asana login page, type in the email address associated with your account, then select Continue. On the next screen, enter your password and log in. If you use single sign-on or another authentication method, follow your usual security prompts. Keep your credentials private and make sure you're on the official Asana site. Once you're on your Asana homepage, you'll see your recent projects and tasks. Open the project where the subtask currently lives. If you're in board view or list view, either is fine. What matters is opening the task's details so you can access its subtasks. Click into the task to expand its details pane on the right. If you don't see a subtask section, scroll within the task pane or toggle any collapse arrows to reveal it. Now select the subtask you want to move to another task. This opens the subtask's own detail view. Look for the 3-dot More menu in the subtask header. Click it, then choose Convert to and pick Subtask. Asana will prompt you to select the new parent task. Search for or select the task that should receive this subtask. Confirm your selection, and Asana will place the subtask under that destination task. The wording says convert, but practically, you're reassigning the subtask's parent so it appears exactly where you need it. If you work in a shared project, make sure you have permission to modify tasks across that project. There's also a fast drag and drop approach. With the subtask visible in the task pane, grab it by its handle and drag it to the target task in the interface. Depending on your layout, you can drop it into the subtask section of the destination task or onto the task in the list so it nests correctly. If the drop target doesn't highlight, expand the destination task's details first so you can see the subtask's area. After moving it, double-check the subtask's assignee, due date, and custom fields. Moving subtasks can change context, so it's a good idea to confirm everything still matches your workflow and notifications are set as you expect. And that's it. You've successfully placed a subtask under another task in Asana using either the Convert to Subtask option or a quick drag and drop.